Ayan na po. Ayan na po kami sa dagat. So, ayan. Hi guys! So today, we're going to 7-Eleven and it's currently 10 p.m. And kaya po kami magkasama ngayon ni Denise kasi tomorrow, we will be leaving early.
Kasama ko.
Yes. And we will be going to somewhere.
Over the rainbow.
Yeah, it's still a surprise, but it's in our bucket list na makapag-travel together.
Yeah, nauna kami.
Yes, as mag-best friends. And ang clue na lang is out of town siya. So that's
Literally out of town.
Oo. And
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
yan, vlog pa. Tahilok ka tuloy, gaga ka.
Gaga to.
Ayan po yung view niya. Currently no tao.
Buti na lang, no tao. It's just me and him.
Kakahiya ako, Diyos ko. Koton ka makakatangahan. But anyways, ayan, dito is ang mga, ayan,
Kaya
puro,
nagpa-vlog din si Bakla. Tinatry niya yung ano ng phone niya.
yeah, cause I have a new, again, as I've said in the previous vlog, I have a new phone, and my new phone, as advertised, can vlog like in dark scenarios. So right now we're testing it out, but it's currently maliwanag, so medyo okay naman siya. So that's that. And now I'll be cutting this. I will see you when we get to 7-Eleven. So bye guys.
I wanna get to your clothes, gotta get it right now. I wanna push all the limits with you right now. So watch your feelings, the city's screaming, we're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in the world, gotta get it right now. People talk and tell what you wanna hear now, but they all disappear, they will let you down. So we better stick together, let's come whatever, we're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in the world, gotta get it right now. We only need the two of us together. I need only you in this crazy world, 'cause we got love, love. I need only you here with me. Close to me, why don't you do it right now? You know we met for a reason, but you're trying to deny that we should be together. It's heavy weather, we're heading for tonight. You better take what you can, 'cause the time is right now. We only need the two of us. We only need the two of us together. I need only you in this crazy world, 'cause we got love, love. I need only you here with me.
Hi guys! So currently we're in the resort of my classmate here in Batangas, and ayan na nga. So I'm here with my best friend, and medyo mabilis lang yung biyahe kasi there's no traffic, and also medyo nakakahilo because this is in Calaya, Batangas, so medyo malayo, and dadaan ka sa mga mountain. So ayun, and yun nga, puyat kasi konti lang tulog, so medyo nahilo ako. Oh my god, tumatanda na ako. But yeah, I will make a tour later. We're just resting because syempre galing pa kami travel and nagpre-prepare pa ng things. So like ayun, Ayan, Instagram ang aking best friend. So, si best friend ay, actually, this is, as I mentioned yesterday, nung nag 7-Eleven kami, this is the first time that we will go out of town. So, usually, nagbumol lang kami pag gumagala, pag December, ganon. But now, ayun, first out of town namin. So, natanggal siya sa bucket list namin. No? Eme. Sa baka sunod na mga ano, yung may airplane na pag may budget na. Wow! When pa yun? Siguro pag ano na, may pera na kaming dalawa. At anyways, ayun, ito yung, ay, di pala ako makapag-backcam. So, change muna ako ng mode sa camera para at least makita nyo or maturo ko yung mga keme. So, yun. Ayan po. Dito po kami sa bed. Ako kinakabahan sa'yo. May baka malaglag. Baka bumalentong kayo cellphone. Gago. Ooh, lamig!
Ay, in fairness, hindi ito mabato ha.
Diba? Kaya maganda dito eh. So, from there, dun yung resort. Tapos ito na yung dagat. Ooh, lamig. Ayan. So, ayan po si Dennis. Naghahanap po ng pogi.
Apa?
Pero sadly, wala po kami mahanap.
Wala ba mahanap?
Bading. And some shit. So, yeah. Hi guys, quick updates. Right now, we're in the Kubo. Why not the Kubo, but like the gazebo area. Tapos sobrang chill, laid back hour ngayon cause it's currently 11 ba? Hindi 12 na. 1 na pala, walang tumama. Ayan, so kung nakikita nyo 1:31 na and sobrang init pa ngayon kaya hindi maganda mag-swimming kasi baka maluto kami hindi oras tapos ayun, hinintay na namin yung isa namin kasama which is papunta na and they'll be coming from Capitolio, Pasig and kanina medyo maaga kami nakarating. We arrived at around 10 and then
Yeah, around 10.
kasi walang traffic but we left at
Almost 6.
sa bahay and then we left at Pasig area around 7 ganon. So hindi talaga traffic so, from ano na yun from here or from Pasig to Batangas. So ang balik namin is sa Monday and medyo okay naman dito. So like if y'all want to have a chill place in Calatagan, in Calayo pala, I'm sorry, in Calayo, y'all should definitely go here. So, I'll leave the link in the description below. So,
No.
Nung Villas Pinosa. So, ayun. But anyway, so, I'll be seeing you guys later pag nandun na kami sa dagat. I'm not sure if I'll bring this with me.
Anong dadalhin mo?
Itong ano.
With waterproof ano?
Siguro ito na lang aalay ko, yung phone ng nanay ko.
May aso ang dito.
Hello, may aso guys. Look, oh. Mukhang mabait. Oh my gosh. Look at the doggo. Hello. So fluffy. I mean, we have doggos then, but like, look, oh. It's a natural dog. But anyways, guys, we'll see you. Siguro kung may makita kayong changes later papuntang beach, nagpalit ako ng camera kasi syempre iba yung quality na itong gamit kong camera to sa gagamitin kong camera pang lug-lug kasi mas bago to kaya I don't want to risk it. At least itong phone ng nanay ko na iPhone 6 pa, at least
Nagmukbang lang talaga ako sa channel niya.
pwede na to. So, ayun. Again, see you guys later. Bye guys. Hi. Boop. Ayan na po. Ayan na po kami sa dagat. So, ayan. So, ayan yung dagat. Medyo malapit-lapit na walk. It's currently, wala pala akong watch, but it's around 4 o'clock. And wala akong masyadong makita kasi I'm wearing shades. And yung shades ko is not prescription, so wala siyang gato. So, although si Denise, hindi naman niya kailangan ng gano'n. Pero nakakakita pa naman ako. And, ayan, medyo happy-happy sila dito. So, ayun, magsiswimming kami ni Denise till gabi.
Susulitin namin.
True. So, ayan. So, ayan yung beach. So, ayan. So, ayan si Denise.
Taas dun!
Gogo.
Taas
Ayan.
dun!
Ayan. Ayan ang beach. So, look at this. Ayan. Tapos, ayan yung doon yung pupunta yun sa resort. But yeah, overall, it's cute and whatnot. And I'm using my phone to vlog sa... Ay, sabay, mababangga pa tayo. But yeah, I'll end the vlog here. And I'll see you later. Bye guys. Ayan po, let's go!
Girl, ayoko lumayo ha. Baka lumalim bigla.
Woo! Tapos ayan po yung ano namin, gamit namin. So, yes. Ay, yun, may wang-wang sa gitna ng dagat. Shala. Oh, lamig! Ang lamig! Ang lamig! Parang kumain tayo naligo! Diyos ko Lord! Ang lamig!
Okay lang yan. Ako, di na nilalamig. Tontuhan na ako sa lamig.
Diyos ko, day! Ang lamig! Nagigirig-girig pa yung bote.
Ano ito nilalamig? Salita.
Ay, Diyos ko! Bakla, lamig kasi talaga! Ay, Diyos ko! Bakit?
May bahay pa rin.
Oo nga eh. Hindi
Hindi
rin.
ko na napansin.
Uy! Uy! Ang lamig! Diyos ko! Wala ka nag-beaver na sabi kong malamig. Malamig talaga, be.
Alam mo yung sobrang lamig. Di parang may...
Ano ka ba? Umihi ka lang dyan. Baboy!
Galay.
Bakit? May makakakita ba?
Ang lalim nung...
Mahal kasi ng banana boat.
Oo, lalim. Ay, maano dyan. Mahal yan.
May kayak naman tayo. Okay lang.
Hindi. Kung may kung napagbigyan, yung thankful na lang.
Tama, walang mali. Ay! So, ayan. Ay, talaga. Oo, actually guys, like look.
Ang daming tao din.
If is-zoom in ko, medyo madaming tao. So yung mga dun sa part na
yung
yun.
parking yan, I think puro bata yung nandoon. Kaya
Oo,
ano.
tapos dun din sa part na yun.
Ayun, tropa-tropa pa
Ayun,
ngayon
oh.
nandoon eh.
Sali tayo sa kanila. Kuya, sali kami! Mga guys!
Kahit ang mga boys, kaso baka ano, mga two joints.
Two jonks.
Two jokes.
Yay! Uy, Diyos ko, alam. Ayan na nga. Whoosh! Whoosh! Whoosh!
Saan nakabot ang online class mo? Batangas.
May presentation pa mamaya. Ay, basta Monday.
May klase pa naman ako.
Tama.
Pero ano lang yung
Sweet dreams are made of this. Who am I? It's your love tonight. With it, stop with it, leave with it, rock my way. You're never going home. Take my breath. Bad habits lead to late nights. I'm begging you. You tell me things you wanna try.
He's lost dancing.
Hey guys, so currently we're on the beach. We're on the beach sleeping right now. Ayan. So, medyo dumami yung tao and ayan, lumalakas na yung alon. Pero ang therapeutic and medyo magulo na yung hair ko but nakapagpa-picture naman na kami and all of that. So, mamaya we'll transfer sa pool para ano lang, chill vibes, ganon. So, anyway, so I'll see you, or we'll see you pag nandun na kami sa may pool ng Villa Espinosa. So, yeah, bye-bye.